In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to delete Windows Update files that have already been updated and you no longer need them. Deleting Windows Update files can help free up disk space, especially if updates have accumulated over time. To do this, simply click onto the Windows icon and head to Settings. On your Settings page, select onto this option of System. You will then navigate onto Storage. Click on this little highlighted option of Show More Categories. You will then select on Temporary Files. All installed updates are kept right here on Windows Update Cleanup. On my computer, it's occupying 1 GB as you can see. Moving on to these other files, make sure to uncheck the downloads as you might need them since all downloads items are kept in the downloads. Besides the downloads, these are all cache and junk files. Now you will just have to click on Remove Files. Then click on Continue to start up the process of cleaning up all Windows Update files. This improves system performance in some cases. Numerous update files may slow down system scans or cause delays when checking for new updates. Therefore, regularly clearing these files ensures smoother performance, especially for systems with lower resources. That's how easy it is to delete Windows Update files on your PC or laptop. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.